Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you can receive the code now. Check the account's phone or email and pick SMS, email, or Authenticator app so you control delivery timing. Once you select the channel, tap Send Code and keep the device unlocked. This reduces delays and avoids app timeouts. Make sure you have cellular or Wi-Fi signal, and if using an Authenticator app, open it now so the code is visible when it arrives. Now you enter the code into the verification field. Type each digit exactly and include any required separators because the system matches characters precisely. If you use copy-paste, double-check for extra spaces. Once done, avoid hitting back or navigating away. This can invalidate the token. If autofill offers the code, confirm it came from your account notification. If the field says expired, request another code and pause a few seconds before retrying to prevent throttling. Finish by pressing Verify and watching for the success message. Do not close the app mid-process because session info completes in the background. If verification fails, check that your device clock is correct. Authenticator tokens rely on sync time. Once corrected, request a new code. If messages never arrive, switch channels or network, then try again. If you still can't get a code after 2 attempts, contact support and report delivery method and timestamps so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.